Bet you didn't know how easy it was to change your mindset and start feeling better about your life. Let me show you. So many times you and I get down, we get depressed. We start saying to ourselves and others, I suck, I can't do this, I'm not any good. I want you to think about this one little mind shift, whether you play video games or not. I want you to think of yourself like a gamer would. And the next time you're feeling down, depressed, and stuck, instead of telling other people and yourself, I suck, I can't do this, I'm not any good, simply say this, I'm just stuck on this level. Run your life like a gamer would run a video game. You're just stuck on that level. You're just missing a cheat code or a piece of information to get better. When you can start thinking in terms of, I'm just stuck on this level, need to break through, instead of I suck, I'm not good enough, you're going to find that people are going to start giving you those cheat codes. Hey, have you tried this? Have you thought about doing this? When you approach life like a gamer would a game, you're going to find you'll get the high score. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.